Hey, Alexus Love Beauties and Flawless Man. I have been using this product for over 6 months and it has done a really great job in keeping my skin clean, also in preventing any breakouts or any other acne. So I do like the CeraVe. I am going to see if turmeric is really good for my skincare. What I know thus far is that turmeric is good for inflammation and evening out the skin. I do know that honey is really good for the skin and helping it glow. Dead sea salt and mineral salt is good for giving you that nutrition back in your skin. Argan oil is a #1 oil for skincare in general, and also shea butter. So I'm going to see if this is something that I will actually be incorporating in my skincare routine. I get a little hair at the top of my lip and like 3 hairs under my neck, and I just like to remove that hair. So I use this microdermaplaning tool, which is a razor, and it hasn't done anything to my skin. I floss and brush my teeth, but I will not be doing that online. But with the toothbrush, my dentist said to use a soft toothbrush. That way you don't have any bleeding gums or not too harsh. So you can use a regular toothbrush. I really enjoy the electrical toothbrushes because they pick up all of the plaque and they're great. Now, sometimes we might miss plaque with brushing and flossing. I love to do the coconut oil pull. I really love the castor oil pulling because the castor or these oils are actually going to help to pull out anything that you miss also. So I use that for a mouthwash. I have been looking for a toner, but it's like some of the toners have alcohol or something is not right. So I just been using this like on my feet, just using it in general. But I might have to try an organic witch hazel because the witch hazel I get from the store does not work. So let's get into the skin. My skin have been doing amazing, as you can see right here. I've always had these large pores, and if I put the wrong thing on my face, they do multiply. This is the best I've ever seen my face in my life. These little breakouts that we see here is nothing compared to how my skin originally is. So I am super grateful. The things I just showed you in the video are the things that's been helping me besides the turmeric. And I also use aloe vera, but we did not have that for this video. Now let's get into me actually cleaning my face. Some people say that with the reviews in CeraVe, they don't get a lather. I put cold water on and I literally use a pea-sized amount. This is about the only product I ever use a pea-sized amount because I always get a beautiful lather. So I can't review the same way they did because as we can see, I get a lather. Before I shave my face, I love to put something on. That way it's not dry. So I'm just applying the CeraVe to my skin because I'm about to get ready to remove these lady hair. Removing the hair from your skin removes the dead skin and it allows your skin to breathe. You're actually able to absorb products better also. So that is the purpose of microdermaplaning. You're removing that. As you're going to see at the end of this video, my face is going to look 10 times better than what it just did simply from removing the hair. I like to shave everything down simply because when it comes to shaving, you're supposed to shave the opposite way in which the hair grows. My face hair grows kind of weird. It kind of just stands up, so I shave down. When it comes to the lip, I just do like some little weird, lip expressions just so I can get all of the hair. So I literally just shave everything down. I'm just shaving my little lady stash. It don't even be like that, but just some people don't like hair like that. And so if you are a woman or even if you're a man and you always thought about removing that face hair, I know we'd be scared because we'd be like, well, my face gonna break out, the hair is gonna grow 10 times. I've been doing this for like over a year. I want to say probably like 2 years, and I've never had 10 times the hair grow back. The hair barely grows back like that. I probably only do this every month and a half. So I haven't experienced 10 times hair growth with this, and this is just what I do, and I love it. It makes me look younger. And as far as my neck, when I started getting them little 3 hairs, I used to just pull them off. So I did start pinching my skin. So I have a few little dark marks under my neck. So now I just like to go in and just shave that also, so I'm not messing that up. The purpose of that turmeric bar is I'm going to see if it removes these dark spots. And if it does, we're going to add that into our skincare routine. So this is about to be raw and uncut, y'all. This is how I wash my face. I know we've seen skincare videos before, but honey, this the real right here. This is how I literally wash my face. This CeraVe cleanser has been keeping my skin clean. I don't know if you tried it, but I have. So I've used things to clean my skin before, and then I would go back in with the toner and I'm wiping my face with a cotton pad, and the cotton pad is dirty. I'm thinking to myself, like, didn't I just wash my face? I have never had that run in with this CeraVe. So this is why I know it's a cleanser. It literally cleans my skin. Like, after I use CeraVe and I go in with the cotton pad with maybe some toner, it's always clean. So I know this is working for sure for me. This is literally how I wash my face. I'm washing my face. When I used to wear eyelashes, when I stopped wearing them, my eyes start getting dry and crusty in between my eyelashes. So I know the products say that you're not supposed to never put anything over your eyes, but you know, don't do it. But I'm telling you that I did it, and that's how I clean my face, because I got to get that clean. I learned from a man that you're not supposed to wipe your face because you loosen up the collagen. Collagen is a form of hormone, and what it does is, it's the type of, we'll get into it on a later day, but collagen is what keeps you young. It keeps your skin tight, keep your skin glowing. So I don't wipe my face, I just pat my face. So now I'm using this turmeric soap. And like I said, some people don't like soap. I love soap because I love the way it lavers. Once again, going in and washing my face. Now sometime, and I'm probably going to leave this on for about a minute or less than that, but I do want to leave this on and actually see what it is going to do. Anywhere that you shave, you always want to make sure that you go back and clean. The way I'm probably going to incorporate this so I'm not over washing my skin is I'm probably going to do the CeraVe in the morning and then not do it at night, but it just depends on how my day went, because I do want my skin to be clean before I add other things that I really want to absorb into my skin. Sometimes I do my oil pull at the beginning and the end of my routine, but this is what my face will look like. Compare this to the beginning of the video. Look 10 times younger. Again, don't forget the aloe vera. That's been helping me also. I don't put anything on my skin right now as far as a moisturizer or nothing, but I do put coconut oil under my neck because I don't want that to feel dry or anything.